This is the Lego City Park tractor. It has 86 pieces. It comes with a minifigure, a squirrel, some plants, and a trailer and tractor. Let's open it up. First, let's make the minifigure. We need the head and then the body. And the legs. We need his hat and his watering can, and then put him to the side. We need the squirrel and the acorn. Here's the acorn. Put those to the side. Okay, we need this gray piece right here. And we're gonna need this black square that has this on the end of it. Put it on the end. And then this black 2x6 right next to that square one. And then we need a clear 1x2. And then we need this piece right here that has the two little sticks at the end. Put it across right in the middle. Now we need this black piece. Looks like a U shape. Put it on the left side here, right after this thing. And a green flat piece. There you go, this green piece right here goes right next to this U-shaped piece. Now we need this gray 2x4 with the sticks on the ends right next to the green piece. And then we need another green flat piece right after it. And then we need another, the black U shape. And then another flat green piece. Just like that. And this black A shape goes on the right side. With the wider side towards the end. Now we need this gray piece with the little handle that goes right here on the in between the A. Just like that. So on top of all this is this green piece. Right on top. And now we need a clear orange piece on the left side. Right here. And then on top of that will be a black 1x4. And on top of that black 1x4 is this lighter green 1x2. So put it right in the middle of that 1x4. And then this gray piece that looks like a stairs goes right here and then connects to this green piece. And right after that will be a light green 2x3. Then we need this white square that has the 2 knobs and a flat side. And then we want the 2 knobs to be on this gray piece and the flat side on this green piece. And then right after this piece right here on the green, on top of that will be the steering wheel. Right after that would be a black 1x4. And then this gray piece, like an L shape, goes in the middle of the black 1x4. Now we're going to need this green arch and this green curved piece, and that goes on the end right here. So do that for both pieces. I need 2 of them. And then the same for this side. For both of them too. Now we can put those on top of these black knobs right here. And have it so that this lip is on the outside. And put them on both sides. And then on this green piece we put the bigger 2x3. And then right after is a small 1x2 green piece. And then on top of that is a clear 1x2. And then on top of this clear piece and this green will be this arch piece with a leaf symbol. And right behind it would be a flat square piece. Now on the left side here, we need 2 of these black pieces that has a knob and like a claw. So put those on these gray pieces here and have it so the claw is on the outside. So put one here and put another one here. And then on top of the claw, we put this cage on it. And then we need an orange circle on the top right corner. Right here. Now we can make the tires. We need the tire and we need this gray piece. And you just put this inside the tire. just like that. And these go on the front of the tractor. Now for the back tires, we need the bigger wheel and the bigger gray piece. And then we just put them on. Just like that. Now we're going to make the trailer. We need this black 2x6. This gray piece with a claw at the end. And put on the top left corner. And then we need another one of those gray piece on the bottom left corner. And then this gray piece with the sticks on the ends across. And then this brown square on the right side. On the left side, right after the claws, we need this orange 1x2. And next to that would be this gray piece with 2 knobs on it. And then this black piece right here. Now on the bottom part here and the top part, we need a green 1x2. And then on top of all this is this gray piece. It's a 4x6. Now we gotta make the walls of the trailer. These goes on the corners. And this one with the L shape just goes on the side. And another gray piece with 2 knobs right in the middle. And the same for the bottom, the corner piece on the corner. Now we need to make tires for this, wheels for the trailer. The small tire and the small rim. 2 of them. 1 on each side. And here's the trailer. And you can put it on the back of this black piece right here, the trailer hitch, and just push it in. Now we need this brown square and this ladybug, and we need this brown square on top right, bottom right, and the bottom left. And on top of these, you put this green stick inside the brown squares. Just like this. And we can put that in the trailer. And this pine tree also in the trailer on the knobs in here. on these gray claws or hooks on the back of the trailer, we can put this brown broom and this shovel on the hooks. And I got some extra pieces. So here is the Lego City Park Tractor.